Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can receive or request money on PayPal. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time. So, um, as you can see right here on the right side of my screen, I have three buttons: send, request, and more. For the purpose of this video, we should press on request. Once you've clicked on request, it should take you to a request page, just like this. And once you're here, you should enter the name, username, email, or mobile phone of the person that you want to request money from. Once I've entered the details of the person that I want to request money from, I should press on next. And here on I can change the amount of money that I want to request, like for example 0, 0, or just whatever amount of money you want. As you can see right here, I can make an insane amount of money. Anyways, I can also add someone else to the request to request money even from another person, or I can add a note to justify why I needed the money. So like for a video, and the request 1 cent, and then I press request now. I have a problem with my account, but in your case the request should be done by this point. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's really simple. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.